Hey guys, how you doing? I'm gonna make a video, a little stupid stuff that I gotta do to all the cars because really none of my hot rods are working right now, so gonna have to do some work. And right now I'm working on the nicer hot rod. It's not really a hoopty, guys, but I'm doing charging system, and I drove to work the other day because, you know, it's my good hot rod. I should drive it to work, and it died on me. I had to push it into the parking lot, late for work. Whatever. It was only a Friday. But yeah, we'll figure it out. Oh, I got Dad here for a couple minutes. He's on the tow truck, so we never know when he's here or not. Anyway, so I was going into work the other day, and I was going through the gears. The car just died on me. A bunch of smoke's coming from the battery cables, and the starter wouldn't turn off. So we're going to test the starter right now. See if it turns off or not.
Looks okay to me.
Alright then. Looks like we're going to have to do some more work. Okay, so I went to Princess Auto. For our American listeners, that's Canadian Harbor Freight. And I got, this was about $2 a foot. There's the batteries in the trunk, so the cable that's on there is older than I am, so we're gonna try and change this cable. And we already tested the starter on the bench, and it seems to be fine. So it's either this cable's no good, the battery's fine too, tested the battery, or it's the ignition switch, which it might be the ignition switch. But I'm gonna do all the stuff that I should have done when I first got the car. Right now I'm gonna run this line, and I'll let you know where we get from there. So we are now back at my place. Here's all my junk. A 28's for sale. It's a Chev coach. This thing's running hot still. We'll go take a look at it. So, put the water pump in. I cooled it down a bit. Put another thermostat in. Now it's running a bit cooler, but still running around 200, and I don't really like that. Then I went to go get coffee the other day, and well, see the chargers on it. Brand new battery. So I'm gonna have to test the alternator, and I also want to build an air dam under the car because it doesn't have one right now. So maybe direct some air into the rad. I do want to buy a new rad before power tour, but right now with everything, it's on the bottom of the list. So I'm gonna get going, and I'll come back to it when I get some stuff done. Alright, so I made a dam. Push air up into the rad. Might be a little rough on the edges, but I think it'll work. Cut it out of a spare hood I had for my 68, which isn't gonna get done anytime soon, so may as well use the parts. Here's the hood I cut the piece out of. Here's the 68. You can see it's saved this out of a field. It's got a lot of weight reduction. This is the frame that's at Paul's house. Here's the other bit hiding behind those seats over there. It's in a bit better shape. Here's the 28 Chev. The wood frame is toast in it. I was gonna make a rat rod, but the metal's really good on it. I got 31 spoke wheels and a diff for it and all that stuff. So yeah, I think I'm gonna head back over to my parents and work on the 55 now. Alright. Well, we got this line out. It's a bit older than me. When did you do this?
Probably 81.
Okay then. Yeah, so it's 4 years older than I am. It's got a bit of issues. I'm not sure if they could. We're guessing. It's just speculation right now. We're guessing this was sitting on the starter and creating. What did you say?
A current, like a field.
Which was causing the starter not to turn off. Speculation. We don't know. I got all the new line ran. So it's going into that hole there. And then comes out there, runs up the frame, goes up over the frame, and I'll get on the creeper here. Comes back up. Oh. Right there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It's getting dark out. You can hear the crickets. So it's running all the way up there, and that's all ran. It was kind of fun taking the old one out. I think I might still have some spots in my eyes. But yeah, there's the old man again. He's back on the tow truck. So this is my 55. It used to be his. He's an Indian giver. Actually, the story goes is that he had me when he was 29, and he gave me this car on my 29th birthday. And yeah, wasn't expecting that, but thanks, old man. So we have done a bit of work to it. I've lowered it, new motor, put some Mustang low backs in it, rebuilt the transmission about 3 times. A little small block, 60 over, some hypertectic pistons, torquer intake. But yeah, that's why I kind of built the Firebird. I've always driven shitty cars, so I'm not really used to driving this car. I'm afraid to break it. It actually means something to me, and Firebird's already lost one of them, so what's another one, right? Anyway, I think I'm done for the day. It's time to have some cold ones maybe and have a shower. I will talk to you guys later. I might work on this tomorrow and make another video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I wouldn't mind getting paid to fix these. Talk to you later, guys.